The presentation is to Standard Chartered Bank. Brief about the client. The client falls in BFSI category. The communication objective is to attract HNI. We are approaching the marketing manager, and the media selection as such, they look at English dailies and they are looking at HH with the combination of HT. The competition to this bank, the foreign bank, is HSBC, Citibank, the Royal Bank of Scotland, Deutsche Bank, and DBS Bank. So we are meeting Mr. Datta. Good evening, Mr. Datta. You must be aware about the banking sector in India. It has been growing at a rate of 21.2% at a CAGR. Macroeconomic condition has been weak, but then also if you see, the deposits are increasing. That means that Indian market is doing very well. Very interesting point here it is that the share of private banks are increasing, whereas foreign banks are not increasing. So there are certain activities which private banks are doing to take the deposits in their banks. Standard Chartered, as everyone knows, it is into consumer banking and wholesale banking. Consumer banking is from the individual point of view, wholesale banking is from the corporate point of view. Looking at the market, you see India as a market very importantly, because within India, India contributes almost 9% to your entire portfolio. One interesting thing is that in spite of adding 9%, it adds almost 10% to your profit. So it is a very key area which you need to focus. The target audience, as we have spoken to your agency, we came to know that the target audience is basically all adults 25 to 45 years, SEC AB. And the geographic which you are covering are the 19 states with your 98 branches. One interesting thing which we have seen is that 51% of, if you add up all the markets, whereas English daily only reaches 80 lakhs of readers. Interestingly, if you look at UP as a market, we have Hindi readers which is almost 1 crore 80 lakhs, vis-a-vis only 8 lakh 47,000 of English readers. So English as a press, Hindi as a medium becomes very important in Jagran footprint. So you need to look at Hindi in this particular market. We have spoken about the masses, the AIR, the complete numbers, but the fact is that if you look at the TG also, Hindi readers, if you look at within UP market, we have almost 22 lakh of Hindi readers within this particular profile. If you look at the complete market altogether, we have almost 75 lakhs of Hindi readers, vis-a-vis which is 27 lakhs of English readers. So Hindi becomes a very important medium to communicate within this particular market. Now when we look at each market, here you can see the lead of Dainik Jagran over English Daily. Within UP market, Dainik Jagran lead almost 285% more than English Daily, and the combination which you are currently taking, which is ST and HH, if you combine both the publication, then also Dainik Jagran reaches almost 114% more than HT-HH package. Overall, if you look at the footprint of Dainik Jagran, UP, Bihar, Punjab and Uttaranchal specific market, which contributes almost 18% of the branches, there Dainik Jagran has almost 70% more readers than HT and HH, and if you compare with any daily, it is almost 208% more. So it becomes very important to have Hindi as a communication, Hindi as a medium in this particular market. If you look at the comparative brand, when we talk about the HNIs, who basically the lifestyle and all those things, if you look at, these are the brands which has been experiencing Dainik Jagran as a product. So they have realized the strength of Jagran and they are participating in Dainik Jagran. These are the automobile companies, and if we relate to the services which is there, which comes to a particular level where you buy a particular holiday which is almost 70-80,000, again Dainik Jagran is being used by these players. Now what we suggest you is three-pronged approach, impact advertisement which will talk about basic service which you have for high net worth individual, which would be from a front page impact ad or a business page. Now, why we are suggesting front page and business page? Front page basically talk about international and national news which suits to an HNI. Business page is specific which they look at, and sustenance activity would be activity which will talk to them on a regular basis and hit them again and again about the product, what are the investment tools, and engagement model would be through the events. Now, from front page point of view, we are suggesting a front page which would be a half page, or on a business page you could take a half page. When we look at the advertorial, the approach where you can educate this audience and where you can talk to this audience on their interest level, we have a bonus page which comes on every Monday, which will give you an opportunity to interact with the TG which you want, and here you can have tips of investment which can actually appeal them. And the last thing which we can have is investor meet, where you can have like-minded people and where you can talk about what are the investment tools which can be there. Sponsorship of Bikeathon, you have been sponsoring marathon, so this could be one particular tool, or we can have a place where you can have a golf tournament where you can have a like mind, where you can collect this HNI guys. So looking forward for partnering with you.